Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with BOK Financial Review My Usage Experience. BOK Financial Review My Usage Experience offers a detailed view of your BOK financial accounts. It's primarily aimed at BOK Financial customers who want to easily monitor their accounts, transactions, and financial activity online. Key features likely include account summaries, transaction history, budgeting tools, and potentially bill pay options. Their website provides details on the full range of functionalities. Their website emphasizes ease of use and secure access to your financial information. They highlight the convenience of managing your finances from one central location. Pricing is integrated into your existing BOK financial accounts, with no additional fees beyond standard banking charges. Availability is limited to existing BOK financial customers, and access is granted through your online banking login. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using BOK Financial Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply logged into my existing online banking account, and the review section was clearly visible. The interface is intuitive and well organized. I particularly appreciated the clear graphical representation of my spending categorized by month and merchant. I used the transaction search feature to quickly locate a specific payment I was looking for, and it found it instantly. The performance was excellent, the site loaded quickly and reliably throughout my testing period. I had a quick question about reconciling my accounts, and their online help section provided clear and concise instructions. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the customizable budgeting tools. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, meaning I couldn't access my account details on the go as easily. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with BOK Financial Review My Usage Experience. It's a valuable tool for managing my finances efficiently. That's my overview of BOK Financial Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.